Welcome to our kitchen! Today we would like to show a delicious recipe with chicken and rice. Morghe Shekam Por.
An easy and accessible recipe that suits every taste.
Give it a try please and send your comments below the video.
Thank you for your support. For making Morghe Shekam Por with Hana and Sasa's recipe, we should have
2 tablespoons of a smooth pomegranate paste, 100 grams of walnut kernels, an onion, 75 to 100 grams of coriander, and some dried apricot.
a little of angelica, a whole chicken, some lemon juice, and some salt.
Stay with us. First, I fried the chicken that is marinated for about 2 hours with saffron juice, lemon juice, and black pepper and salt.
I chopped some walnuts, an onion, and chopped coriander with a blender. May I chop the walnuts for you? No. You're cheating. You want to eat all of them. You have to put them in the food. Then you can eat. I put them in the blender.
Slice the dried apricot by scissors.
I poured the mixture that I made them ready.
I add a little angelica, and some salt, and pomegranate paste, at the last dried apricot, and try mix them. the mixture to the chicken's belly. And put it in the pot and add the mixture of oil and water and some lemon juice. Put the lid on the pot and let cook well for about 50 minutes to 1 hour.
Morghe Shekam Por is ready.
Morghe Shekam Por is usually served with rice. Eat and enjoy with pleasure. Kokol, Surati, what's your idea about this meal?
Wow. The thing that is so tempting and fragrant food.